everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making a very quick snack and it's somewhat, I would say, on the healthy side. So come along and let me show you what I'll be doing. First, I have some honey roasted pecans. I have some shredded coconut, some granola bar, and this one is the oat and honey. I also have some blueberries, some fresh strawberries, and I decided I'm gonna throw in a Quaker chewy bar in there as well. And I'm gonna use, of course, my vanilla yogurt. This is the one I chose. You can choose any yogurt you wish. You can use a strawberry flavor, whatever flavor you want to use. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna take my granola bar and I'm gonna put it in this little mortar I have, and I'm gonna beat it to try to get it nice and crushed. You can do this with your fingertips if you want to. I choose to use this method of having it crushed or grinded or whatever you wanna say, but I just wanna have it, you know, nice, like a crummy. I like it nice and crummy. Right, there we have it, guys. It's all done, so we're just gonna pour it in this little bowl and we're gonna set it aside until we're ready. Now I'm gonna do the same thing with our little chewy Quaker bar. Now for this one, we may not be able to use the stick, but I'm gonna try. We may not be able to use a pestle, but I'm gonna try and see if it will work. If not, then I'm just gonna go in with my fingertips. What I'm now doing, guys, I'm adding it to the bowl that already had the crushed granola bar. So we're just gonna mix that all in. Now let's go ahead and prepare our strawberries. We're gonna slice them however way you wanna slice them. If you like cubes, however way you like them, go ahead and slice up your strawberries. This is how I'm slicing mine. Now that we have all our ingredients prepped and ready, it's time to combine them all together and make our perfect, delicious parfait. Come on, guys, I am ready to just put mine all together and dive in. So first, we're going to go in with our yogurt, and as I said before, you can use whatever flavor yogurt you would like. I personally love vanilla, so that's my preference for today. Now you're gonna throw in some strawberries, then you're gonna put some of your Quaker bar in and your granola in. Then you're gonna top that up with some blueberries, put some more yogurt on. Look at that, guys. It's coming along so nicely. Now let's put some more strawberries on top. You push that down on the side, give it your nice color combination. I love how this is looking, guys. I can't wait to put my spoon down in it and just taste all the flavors. You put some more blueberries on top, push it down some. Oh yeah, get it nice down packed in that cup. And I'm now topping it off with my pecans and my coconut, and I'm ready to serve it up. Let's put a few extra strawberries and blueberries on the top. And there you have it, guys. A quick, healthy treat for you at any time of the day. I hope you'll try this recipe and tell me how it went for you. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a video. See you in my next one. Bye, everybody.